What's up, dudes? It's morning time. Headed out on our first hunt down here of the season. Got told maybe with me, and I'm running behind. I hate running behind. Hopefully I put enough buffer room in here, but we're gonna be hunting on a small patch of the Boise River today. It's drizzling a tiny bit. It's kind of warm. It's like 40 degrees. It's been a warm October, but we'll see how it goes, and hopefully we have some success.
Take him, take him. Oh, got one.
Got one right there. Baby.
Take it, right there. There you go. Oh, money.
Third time's a charm.
Take it. Oh. Go, 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 go.
I didn't have my
Go get him.
earplug in. I
Go get him.
realized that.
Man, I look haggard. Holy crap. Oh man. Look at that thing. If I was a rapper, my rapper name would be Two Chins. Man. Holy cow. Whew. We had a really good hunt today. I mean, it was a little slow. Birds weren't really flying, but it's really early season. It was like 41 degrees this morning when we were setting up. Drizzly, just not the best duck hunting weather. Once we got the spot figured out, the ones that came in, they came in good. And we really put it to them. It was a lot of fun. Ended up with 9 birds. But I really appreciate you guys supporting my channel. If you're not a subscriber yet, I would just ask you to subscribe. Just one click. I'm hoping that I can get to 1,000 subscribers this year. Man, that would mean the world to me, so I would really appreciate it if you guys could help me out that way. Most of my viewers are not subscribers, so I would really appreciate it. Give me that quick subscribe. Anyway, enough begging. I hope you guys are ready. This 2023-2024 season, it's going to be good. So all those ducks out there, and hopefully some geese later in the season, you better be hiding your kids, hiding your wives, and hiding your husbands, because we're coming. Thanks again.